So the dining room tree is up. We're organized with all of our ornaments separate and ribbons separated by color. And our box of foliage, and we're ready to get started. So we're gonna start by ribboning the tree. It's always the first step for me when I'm decorating. We're on candy cane lane, so my hero ribbon is going to be candy cane. Buy the best ribbon you can afford personally. And we're just gonna start by making loops, either a single loop, a double loop, or a triple loop, whatever you feel is gonna look good. Easiest way to do this, take your spool, drop it on the floor. First thing you want to do is dovetail the end of your ribbon. Cut from the fold towards the outside. And that gives your ribbon a nice finish. I'm going to take about 6 inches and then make an upside down U shape, pinch it. That would be a single loop. I'm going to do a triple because it's going to go at the top of the tree. So keeping my pinch, I'm going to take the long side, turn it a half turn so that the back is now facing outwards. I'm going to bring that up. And this is wired ribbon, so it should keep its shape pretty well. Gather it and pinch in the middle. You now have a double loop. I'm going to bring my ribbon up, making another loop. I now have a triple loop bow. I'm going to grab a florist wire. I'm using 24 gauge. I'm going to wrap it around where I've pinched. Grab it real tight. Pull. Give it a good twist to secure it. And now taking my other tail, same thing, I'm going to fold it and then cutting from the fold side to the open side, dovetail, and then I'm just going to attach it to the tree. I'm going to go ahead and do this with my red ribbon that I have, and I'll come back. I've attached a red single at the top. I've looped it down. It's all still connected to the spool. I'm just using the branch to hold it in place. Again, I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to bring it down, have it pucker out, curl out, use my branch to secure it, and then finish off with the tail, and again, going from the center out to dovetail. The tree is all ribboned. I keep my spools from the ribbon because if you're gonna do like the same theme over and over and like reuse your ribbon every year, like I do on my Disney tree, you want to be able to just like store it very easily. So when you take your ribbons off at the end of the year, you can just respool them. Now that the tree's ribboned, we're gonna go on and add our large ornaments. I'm starting with the statement theme pieces, so these light bulbs and these large balls, and you want to just fill them in wherever you have space. And everything has already been pre-wired, so it's just easier to get onto the branch. I wrap it around a few times clockwise, and then when it's de-decorating time, unwind it and you're good to go. So the candy cane theme ornaments are on, the large ones. We're now going to go on to the large red and white, fill in other spaces, and then we'll move on to the medium and small. In the same order, we'll do candy cane, red and white. So all the ornaments are on the tree. We're now going to go in and add some floral picks. These are just like fake greenery, and it's just going to help fill in the tree and add a little bit more dimension. The floral picks are in. Now we're going to go and add in the curly cues that we made, the ribbon twirls, these really fun candy cane lollipops that I made, and these candy cane rolled signs. And you're just gonna go stick them in wherever you have space, wherever you want to fill in um, for visual interest. And they don't have to be totally visible, but you want to try and get them as visible as possible. And they can just go in just like that. All of our picks have been added, and we now have a completed candy cane lane tree.